Good morning, students. Okay, yesterday we were on this part. We have faced some problems, so I'm discussing it again. So we have to multiply 5 into 2197 plus 1182. Here we have written just the multiplication part wrong. On multiplying, we'll get 10,985 plus 1182 divided by 2197. Okay, on dividing this, I'll be getting, on adding this, I'll be getting 12167 divided by 2197. Now 12167. So when you will search it out by which table it will go by 23. Okay, it will go by 23. So let us do the 23 square. 9 3 2 is 6, 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4 and 5. It will give you 9, 6 and 6 12 and 1 6, 629. Okay, 23 629s are. Further it will go 23 23s are and 23 1s are. Similarly, when you will go for 2197, it will be divisible by 13. 13 169s are and 13 13s are. Further 13 1s are. Okay, now you need to find out the cube root of 12167 by 2197. Okay, so this makes a pair of 23 into 23 into 23. Okay, put the sign of cube root, and this gives you 13 into 13 into 13. Now make the pair. This makes a pair of 23. Pair of 3, this will make a pair of 13. So 23 by 13 is your answer. As the question was given in the form of mixed fraction, convert it into mixed fraction too. 13 ones are 13. You're left with remainder 10 by 13. So your answer is 110 by 13. I hope the part is clear to you now. Okay. Now, I'm starting with question number 5. Question number 5. First part is 0.003375. इनके भी आपको क्यूब रूट्स निकालने हैं. Let us remove the decimal part. I'll get 1 2 3 4 5 6. After decimal 6 digits are there, so I'll put 6 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let us do the prime factorization of numerator and denominator both. 3 3 7 5. Obviously this will go by 5. 5 6 are 30. 3 left 37. 5 7s are 35. 2 left. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. 27. 17. 5 3s are 15. And further 25. 5 5s are 25. This will give you 5 2s are 10 and 7. This will go by 3. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. इसका आपको प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. यहाँ ज़ीरो के ही पेयर बना लो. 1 पेयर एंड सेकेंड पेयर. Okay, when I'll make the pair of 3 3 7 5, 1 pair of 5 and 1 pair of 3. So cube root निकालना था आपको. Cube root of 3375 upon 100,100. Now I have a pair of 5 and 3. So 3375 के लिए क्या आएगा? 5 into 3 and here 2 zeros. After pairing we are left with 2 zeros. One for this, one for this. So I'll be having 10. This will give you 15 by 10. एक ज़ीरो है तो एक के बाद डेसिमल आएगा, which will give you 1.5 and your answer. Starting from the second part, 19.683. Divide. Decimal part remove करो. After that 3 digits, so 3 zeros. Okay. Let us divide 19683. 19683. Going by 3, 3 6 are 18, 5 6 1. Again it is divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Left with 2, 26, 3 8s are 24 and 2 left, 3 7s are 21. 3 7s are 21, 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 27. Again divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6, 4 and 3. Again divisible by 3, 3 8s are 24, 1, 3 2s are 6 and 7, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Okay. Now I need to find out the cube root of 19683 by 1000. Okay. Make the pair of 3. First pair, second pair and third pair. That means 3 कितनी बार आ रहा है? 3 times. 3 into 3 into 3. Because we have 3 pairs. Now 3 zeros. That means while will pair will get only a single zero. Because एक ही pair बन रहा है. So 3 3s are 9 into 3 gives you 27 divided by 10. Single zero. So after 1 you'll put the decimal 2.7 and your answer. Okay. I hope the parts are clear to you. Moving to the next, your question number 6th. You have to find out the cube root of 27 plus cube root of 0.008 plus cube root of 0.064. Consider them as 3 questions, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So let us find out the cube root of 27. 27. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Okay. So एक ही pair आया. That means cube root of 27 is 3 क्योंकि एक ही pair बन रहा है. Okay. This is 0.008. So remove the decimal. This will give you 1008. So 8 का prime factorization करेंगे तो 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. That means I'll be having a pair of 2 नीचे. When I'll pair 0, so एक ही 0 आएगा 2 by 10 which will give you 0.2. That means cube root of 0.008 का cube root क्या है? 0.2. Further, cube root of 0.064. So when I'll remove the decimal, I'll get 1000. 1, 2, 3. So 3 zeros. 64. 64. 2 3s are 6. 2. 16. 8. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are and 2 1s are. So now I am having 2 pairs of 2. So 2 into 2 and 0 का पेयर बनाएंगे तो एक ही पेयर है. दैट मीन्स 10. 4 by 10 gives you 0.4. एक 0 था, एक के बाद डेसिमल लगा दिया. I'll get 0.04. That means cube root of 0.064 is 0.4. Finally you have to add the इन तीनों के क्यूब रूट्स को हमें ऐड करना है. सो इसका क्यूब रूट 3 था प्लस 0.2 प्लस 0.4. That means it gives you 3.6 as your answer on adding. Okay. Next, 6561. They are saying multiply 6561 by the smallest number so that the product is a perfect cube. Question number 7. 6561. हमें पहले बताना है कि इसको कौन से स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करें so that it is a perfect cube. 6561. 6561 का भी यहाँ से किया था. So I'm copying it from here. 2187, then 729, then 243. Okay. Then it will give you 381 then 327, 3 9s, 3 3s and 3 1s. See now if I'll make a pair of 3, तो 2 पेयर्स तो बन गए. इसका पेयर बनाने के लिए हमें एक और 3 चाहिए था बिकॉज 3 3 का पेयर बनता है. दैट मीन्स एक और 3 चाहिए था. इसका मतलब हमें 6561 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा? 6561 शुड बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3 to make a perfect cube. ठीक है. Now उसके बाद वो कह रहा है ऑल्सो फाइंड द क्यूब रूट ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट. जो भी प्रोडक्ट आएगा उसका क्यूब रूट. तो पहले प्रोडक्ट निकाल लें. 6561 into 3. So when you will multiply you will get 19683. 19683. ठीक है. देखो 6561 के लिए हमारे पास क्या नंबर्स थे. एक 3 का पेयर यहाँ बन रहा था. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. ठीक है. अब 6561 के लिए हमारे पास क्या था. 3 into 3. 3 into 3. 19683 कब आया. जब हमने 3 और मल्टीप्लाई किया. दैट मीन्स 1 more 3 will be multiplied. So now when you will make the pair we are exactly getting the 3 pairs of 3. That means cube root of 19683 is 3 pairs of 3 are there. 3 into 3 into 3, which will gives you 27, and this is your answer. Okay. And here our 4.2 ends, as well as unit chapter 4 also ends here, because only 7 questions were there. I hope all the questions were clear to you. So make sure you will complete chapter 4 in your notebook as well by today itself. Thank you.